Now, exercise. How many of us exercise? As I asked you, क्या करते हैं?
Yoga.
कितनी बार? Every क्या what प्राणायाम?
All from 5:50 to 7.
Very good. Every day. कितने साल कितने अच्छे थे?
Starts from 3 months.
और उसके पहले कोई exercise?
I was used to exercise going on plus.
और कौन?
I do yoga and jogging.
Yoga and jogging. Very good.
Walking.
Walking. Gym की कैसे? ऐसे. And how many of us are? Yes. कुछ दिख रहा है आपको देख कर लगेगा looking fit.
Walking and
So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Walking since 1 month.
1 month. No, that doesn't count. More 6 months and plus. I want to know. But still.
Yoga.
Since
7 years last year.
very good. So how many of us sitting over here and how many of us actually do it? 10% of the people today. And how old are we? And we're not getting any younger. So then, what are the advantages? Why do we say exercise? Is exercise only for weight loss? Then, how does it help?
Increases the BMI.
The BMI, which is the metabolism, right?
Fitness and more energetic. Earlier I was like 9 o'clock I was down and
Tired.
immediate for a sleep. Now I every day wake up at 4:45. I am sleeping around 11, 11:30, 12. Still
And
are the same as it is every day. That's the
It's
benefit of
exercise
yoga,
is-
pranayama.
Yeah, any exercise. Yoga is very good. It's one of the best. Pranayama is even cure any kind of illness. वो तो हमने देखा
It's
ही है.
continuous 3 altogether are there. And in the last 3 months, I more focus on, as you said, on the raw foods, like everyday eating of fruits. And in my car, today in my car also black grapes are there in my house.
Very good.
So while walking, I just eating and then again do the fruits and then salads are more.
Yeah.
So it helps in a way together. with
Yeah,
the
yeah.
Exercise and
Anything,
raw
definitely.
foods.
Always. So this is the main reason. Now, exercise is not necessarily, most people think, I don't need to exercise. Oxygen intake in the body. The more you exercise, the more there's oxygen, the more there's blood circulation. Your heart, it's like food for the heart. Oxygen is food for the heart. Uska khana hai. So the heart pumping is better. Your blood pressure improves. They say that exercise reduces the blood pressure level like literally by 5%. Just regular exercise reduces blood pressure by 5%. So we know that the advantages of exercises are there. It prevents muscle loss. They say as you age, exercise is more important. बोलते हैं कि when people are older, you will see doctors suggesting कि आप exercise शुरू करिए, whether it's weight training. So exercise helps to retain the muscle. So ये नहीं है कि अगर खाली बच्चों को करना है कि खाली हमको करना है. सबको from any age, from the age you are 4 to 5 to till the end, exercise is very very important. And nothing works one. Exercise and diet always work hand in hand. अगर मैं बोली खाली मैं exercise करूँगा और जो मन में आए खाऊँगा, थोड़े टाइम के लिए सस्टेन होगा, you can't sustain it. Similarly, if you say कि ठीक है ना मैं डाइट कर रहा हूँ, एक्सरसाइज की जरूरत नहीं, I don't have time for both. It works hand in hand. They both complement each other. They are both part of the same reason why we are doing it. So it's very important that we remove at least 30 minutes a day. It doesn't have to be कि मैं 1 घंटा निकालना है, 1.5 घंटा निकालना है. It could be even half an hour. The idea is to start slowly. It could be just a simple thing. You find a friend. Take a friend who you can start exercising with. If you feel कि आपको you're not motivated enough, you are motivate each other. एक दिन आपका मन नहीं कर रहा, आपका फ्रेंड बोलेगा चल हम करते हैं. क्या सो रहा है? एक दिन उसका मन नहीं करेगा, you'll motivate him. So start slowly. There are ways. You could start with maybe just 20 minutes of walking, and then slowly increase it and bring it to 1 hour a day. It's just slowly you start. A lot of times क्या होता है कि people get so enthusiastic कि वो बस आज से शुरू एक्सरसाइज से बस वो 1-1.5 घंटा रोज जाएंगे 1-2 हफ्ते के बाद मैं पहले ही ठीक था, सब बॉडी टूटेगी, मसल्स विल पेन, ये होगा वो होगा, इंजरी होगी. ऑब्वियसली तो बॉडी को जो शरीर को आदत ही नहीं है कुछ एक्सरसाइज करने की, अब सडनली उसको बोल रहे हो चल भाग दौड़ ये कर, तो वो तो रिएक्ट करेगी. इट्स अ बॉडी एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, इट्स लाइक अ मशीन. इट विल रिएक्ट. जो मशीन पे पूरा जंग लगा हुआ है और आप उसको चलाते जा रहे हैं कुछ तो पुर्जा टूटेगा. So that is what we have to be. Start slowly, and that whatever you can sustain. Pick a hobby. It could be anything. It could be, say you enjoy walking, or you enjoy yoga, or you enjoy swimming. to be कि यही exercise अच्छी है. All exercises are good. You pick what you like. Something which जो आप जानते हैं कि ये मैं sustain कर सकता हूँ. मैं इसको पूरे टाइम तक कर सकता हूँ. ये नहीं कि मैं एक हफ्ते बाद छोड़ दूँगा. If you don't like the gym, you don't have to go to a gym. If some people like the gym, so you enroll in a gym. Some people like to swim. So some people like to play tennis. It's any activity which you enjoy. So it's very important that you pick an activity you enjoy and make it fun, make it interesting, make it enjoyable. It should not be यार shit अभी जाके exercise के लिए जाना है नहीं मन कर रहा. It should be wow. It's my time of the day. That is your time. It's my time of the day. This is only to myself. I'm giving myself the time. It's only helping you. It's not helping anybody else. So this is important. You start slowly. Don't be over enthusiastic. For people who have very long schedules, so these are just simple tips what you can do just to start with, just to get a feel of it. It could be if your workplace और घर बहुत दूर नहीं है, you walk to work. अगर आप गाड़ी लेकर जाते हैं तो थोड़ा दूर पार्क करिए कि आपको थोड़ा चलकर जाना पड़े. Similarly वापसी में अगर आप बस लेते हैं तो एक दो स्टॉप पहले उतर जाइए. You know you can walk to work. So you time yourself कि ठीक है मुझे काम पे ये टाइम पहले पहुंचना है तो आप आधा पौना घंटा पहले निकलिए. बस से पहले उतर के you just walk to work. If you have a cordless phone, you walk and talk घर में. टीवी देख रहे हैं तो बस जमीन पे बैठ के अपनी योगा क्लास में do some stretching exercises. It doesn't have to be elaborate. It could be just simple things which could be done, but that just make your body move to start with. Take part in some regular outdoor activities. कुछ कोई function आ रहा है, कोई activity आ रही है, do something which is making you a little active and which is changing your sedentary lifestyle. जो है ना कि सुबह उठे, ऑफिस गए, पूरा दिन डेस्क पर बैठे, शाम को घर आए, खाना खाया और सो गए. So that has to change. There has to be a little break in the monotony and to change of which activity we have to bring. It could be one you pick like 1 hour where you clean up some parts of the house. आप cupboard साफ करें, कोई cabinet साफ करें, कुछ activity हो रही है. It could be simple.